Me.
Dash you.
Dash you.
You. What is that word? Huh? Help. Help.
Help me.
Ah.
Help me
Ah.
in this world.
Ah.
Will me.
Why will? Simply writing means I won't be quiet, sir. Why we should use will here? Yes, will only answer. Then why? Can you say, Amruta?
Huh?
Amruta, can you explain this bit? Can you explain this exercise? Why he had written will? Yes, will is the right. Then why?
Why?
I want the reason. Can you explain it?
Why? Because that is a sure action.
No. No. One more clue is there. I said how many sentences I said for will purpose. How many clues I gave you? How many expressions it follow the will? How many actions it will follow the will? Next up, Dumbu. What is that? Help me in this work. Who can give the explanation for this bit? Who can give? Tell me, children. Come and give the explanation. Okay, will is the right. You wrote simply, but I want the explanation. Why you people are guessing will, or else you know the meaning? Tell me.
Future
Come.
action.
Future action. One more. I want.
Half of it.
Who said half hour?
Raksham.
Huh?
Raksham.
Very good. Clap, Raksha. She is a 7 years old baby. That you must be, you must be understand why we are writing the answer. That is the important. Don't follow blindly the answers. If you follow blind answers means in the examination hall you can't do the answer. Very good, Raksha. Sit down. Next, second bit. Amruta, second bit do. She not agree to this plan. She not. See, first tell me the sentence speaking about which tense. Is it past or future or present? That you can understand here. She does not agree to this plan. The actions. Think here. See, Amruta, here remove the she. You just substitute your name. Amruta does not agree. Like for the holidays. Then, is it present action or present discussion, past discussion or future discussion? Clearly understand what I am talking here. Amruta does not agree for the holidays. Then, yes, obviously, what I want to write here? Utu. Don't get confused. Past action, right? Let's sit down. First, you children find out the tense. Means find out the tense, which means you may know the discussion regarding past, present, future. Then you go for answer. Next, who can do the third answer? Dubo, stand up.
I think it will rain today.
Why? Why?
Today is future action.
One more. Can you say? Next. No. Appers right. What the list? Sure action. Claps. Sure action. Very good, Raksha. Go right. Sure action. That is sure action. Keep it telling. Sram. Next, who can say fourth answers? Come, Niranjan. Move fast. Take. Do fourth option. Today. You like to join with us today. What is the answer? First, you can understand the tense. You like to join with us today.
Future action.
Action, future. Expression not there. It's not expression. What is expression? What is there? Can you guess it, Raksha? Amruta. What is that? You dash?
Cheering.
No. Next. Dumbo.
Off.
I think so. You forget about the request. Request form also I said, na? Yes, obviously would there. Right, would.
Polite request.
Polite request, less polite request, right?